friction abrasion, that means some object has been rubbed and it produces friction, and usually it is by a linear pressure on the skin and slight movement, pressure and slight movement that will be causing the imprint abrasion. And this friction can cause even the second degree burn, that this pressure and movement can be so hard that the body temperature can be raised and it will produce a second degree burn. And most common, they are the ligature marks, either in strangulation or tying up with the rope. When you tie up, you can imagine that there is pressure and rubbing, indenting and rubbing, and this tying up by other person or strangulation, there will be rubbing and indenting, which will cause the imprint abrasion. You can see the deep furrow, and it appears at parchment like leathery, burned out area with the friction. And similarly, this tying with the rope, it will give also a burn effect, a leathery, parchment like burned effect with the strangulation and the tying with the hand.